Slapmac viral app on product hunt. It's a Mac app. So slap your MacBook, it screams back. That's it. That's the app. You can see requirements: Sonoma and M1 Pro Plus required. So it went viral on Instagram, TikTok, and X. Millions of impressions, thousands of slappers. So yeah, that's the idea. Open and close your lid, and it creates like an old wooden door. And then I don't know whether there is iOS version. And yeah, so that's the idea. How it doesn't work on Intel Macs. Not yet. You can't add your own sounds. You can drain your battery a bit. No. So that's basically the idea of the app. And so yeah, that's what you have. That's the app. Kind of pretty cool. Yeah, it's going viral. So try it out.